Most binary trading videos on YouTube are just repeating the exact same copy and paste strategies, but if you're trying to scale your account on pocket option, basic indicator crossovers are not enough. What you're about to learn in next few minutes isn't found in any other YouTube video, so pay close attention because this structural breakdown is going to completely change how you view your charts. Alright traders, we've got a potential trade opportunity developing right here on the chart. As you can see, we've got a strong bullish candle and there's a clear pattern developing. I've taken a call entry right at the opening of the next candle. Now you might be wondering why I'm taking a call entry here. There's a solid reason behind this entry. First, look at the recent market structure. The market has formed a new higher low followed by a clear break of structure. That tells me that bullish momentum is still intact. Then after the market shift, we've got a strong green candle which gave me that extra layer of confirmation I was waiting for. So with the bullish structure, break of structure and confirmation candle, I took a call entry right at the opening of the candle. So the last green candle was my last layer of confirmation. So let's see how my trade is going. According to my analysis, this trade should be a winning trade, and just as I anticipated, this candle is closing as a green one. Now after this, I can take one more call entry, but I do not want to take unnecessary risks because the reversal point is nearby, so the next candle can tap onto that reversal zone and close as a red one. So rather than taking risks, I will look for another high probability trade setup. Remember guys, we have to take trade before the move happened, not after the move. Okay, so we need to add multiple layer of confirmation. All right guys, so in this particular chart I can see a trade opportunity forming. We are in a seller's loop. Market is printing a lot of red candles and you can see the reversal point is nearby. Let's see how this candle closes. If the next candle close as a red one and close below our reversal point, I will be taking a put entry. So it depends on how the current candle is closing, and the next reversal point is very far. All right guys, so this candle is closing as a very strong red bearish candle, and now this candle is closing below the previous green candle, which looks like a spinning top or a doji green candle. I've taken a put entry right at the opening of the candle. My entry could have been better, but it's okay because I'm confident about this trade. I will be placing a rectangular box to show you where the next reversal point is. So this particular area is the next reversal point. The market has already crossed the previous reversal point and it gave me a red candle closing below our reversal point. We are in a seller's loop. There is a lot of red candles in compared to green candles. So I've taken a put entry based on minor trend. If you're wondering about the major trend is market is in a ranging situation. That is, we are in a ranging market. So in a ranging market, you can see both possibility. So let's see how this trade goes on. If this candle close as a green one, I will be taking my one-step martingale trade because in a ranging market we can get one or two error candle, and if you see the past behavior of the market is printing one green candle in between the selling loop. So you have to stick to your analysis and take trades accordingly. So I've got multiple confirmations supporting my trade, so I'm not afraid of this trade. Now I will explain you why I've taken my one-step martingale trade. You can see the last red candle has given us a break below our reversal point, so the last green candle can be just a retracement candle, and plus we are in a seller's loop. We have got multiple red candles in compared to green candle. This particular trade here has higher winning ratio because I have already discussed my multiple layer of confirmation why I've taken my one-step martingale. The previous trade should have been a winning trade, however it closed as a green one and I lost the trade, but I have stick to my analysis and look at that. This trade is now going exactly in my favor, closing as a red candle. I will be recovering my previous loss and book solid profit because I've taken two trade using my one-step martingale trade, and this is a winning trade. Now I can take one more put entry after this red candle, but since the candle has closed as a spinning top, and as you all know, a spinning top can reverse the market. We have got three candles which can reverse the market: a spinning top, a hammer and a doji candle. These candles are very dangerous and indecisive candle, which is why I've not taken any more put entry. Rather, I will be looking for another high probability trade setup. Remember traders, before placing any trades, you should ideally have at least 2 to 3 confirmations supporting your entry. Now look at this chart carefully. At the very first glance, both the major and minor trend of the market is clearly downtrend. So naturally, you might be expecting me to take a put entry here, but I'm actually looking for a call entry. There's something hidden on the left hand side of the chart that most traders completely overlook, and honestly, you'll not find this information in any other YouTube video. I am going to take a call entry right at the opening of the next candle, and the probability of winning this trade is almost 80 to 90%. Now, you must be wondering why I've taken a call entry when the market major and minor trend is downtrend. You have to look closely on the left hand side of the market. We have got a red candle in between buyer's loop, that is lonely candle. And whenever you see this kind of candle, there's a lot of buying pressure going on the left hand side. You can see there is multiple green candle, and in between that buyer's candle we've got a red candle. This is what I call lonely candle. Whenever you see a lonely candle in any buyer's or seller's loop, that candle can potentially act as a demand or supply zone depending on the context. So here I've taken a call entry right at the zone of a lonely candle. So after the reversal, market can go down. I will not be placing any more trades. As soon as I entered in the lonely candle area, market immediately reversed, even though the major and minor trend was downtrend. Look at that. This is a beautiful trade. Just as I said, the probability of winning this trade was 80 to 90%, and look at that. This is 100% winning trade. Alright traders, I hope now you know how you can take confirmations while taking trades in pocket option. These all are my trades. I've taken trades after so many days, and I have lost one trade, which is completely normal. If you want to copy my trades, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. The link is mentioned down below. I'll come back with another powerful video. Until then, keep learning, and as always, happy trading.